How to add captions to videos on CapCut. After you open the CapCut, now here is my voice and here is my video. So before you create the caption, go and right click on the voice or the video you want to create. After you right click on the video or the voice, go and create compound clip. So make sure to create compound clip for the voice or for the video you want to create caption for it. So after you create the compound clip, go to captions. So under the captions, now click on this option to select the language of the voice. So language of the voice is English, so I'll go with the English. Now click on this generate button. So after the caption has finished generating, now as you see here is now my caption. So now let me show you how to add style to the caption. If you want to add style to the caption, now select all the captions like this. After you select all the captions, so go to this option and go to this text and then go to animation. After you come to animation, now go to captions again. Under these captions, there is different style for your caption that you are going to choose. So for this video, I'll just go ahead now and choose this one. I'll go and choose this one for this video. The caption name, the style name is border pop-up. So I'll choose this one. So after you choose the style, as you can see now, the style has been applied to the caption. So let's play and see it. So now here is my caption on my style. If you want to change the style, you can just go to this option and choose the style that you want for your caption. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.